after learning a lot from
This YouTube video shows Malaysia Airlines pilot Zahari Ahmad Shah advising people on how to save power. Harmless enough? Yes, and even helpful. But behind him is a flight simulator. Why there's one in what appears to be his home is now the subject of much speculation. Zahari is the captain of the missing Flight 370. Captain Zahari Ahmad Shah apparently has a house inside this gated community just outside Kuala Lumpur, where he lives with his wife and one of 3 children. Now, we're not being allowed in, but what we do know is that police have searched this house last Saturday. Now, there are reports in local media that he'd moved his family to another house just a day before he flew Flight 370.
We took possession of a simulator, of a flight simulator, and we have dismantled it from the home, and we have assembled it at our office, and we are getting experts to look at it now.
But Peter Chong, a friend whom Zahari met in a community service event, said flying was more than just a profession for the 30-year veteran pilot.
He enjoys flying and he shares the joys of flying with his friends. If I'm on an aircraft and I'm allowed the choice of choosing a pilot, I would choose Captain Zahari. In the case of an accident in a plane, as a pilot, he would make sure that the welfare of the crew and the passengers are taken care of before he even thinks about his own safety.
Police also searched the home of his co-pilot, 27-year-old Farik Abdul Hamid. Neighbors told us that they don't know him that well, but that his father was a respected figure in the community.
He is very friendly and he's actively involved in community outreach. Farik comes from a good family, and at the very least I can tell you that he's a polite young man.
But while the spotlight has been on the 2 pilots, authorities say that at this point, all passengers and crew are under investigation. Barnaby CCTV, Kuala Lumpur.